This has got to be one of the crunchiest record players I've ever seen. It's one of those cardboard Vanity Fair children's record players. I actually got the motor unseized. I just kind of spun the platter a bit. Platter's actually, honestly, in pretty good shape that it spins that well. I'm surprised. As you can see, the front's rotted off. This is cardboard. And it's supposed to hinge back here, but it hinges at that spot where it broke now. The speaker is dead. I can go in the trash. I've got a pair of speakers out of a TV here. I'll show you that I actually did get it to work. The amplifier still works inside. Oh, well, trick shot, I guess. But it's stuck in 78. I'm honestly really surprised that it works this well. The needle's still in good shape, I guess. I'm going to see if I can't lubricate that and get it to go into 45 and 33, because this looks like it'll play a record. We got tone, that's peeling off there. Tone and volume. All right, I got it open. Once again, this is cardboard. This isn't particle board, this is cardboard. This is like a thick shoebox. So I just find that interesting that this is how they made like the little children's record players. It's gonna work now. Nope, still not working. It's getting there though. I'll come back when I get this moving up and down reliable. All right, now we've got some scratchy pots. So I'm gonna grab contact cleaner and fix that right up. That problem's been rectified. However, it still won't go into 33 1/3. What I ended up doing was actually adjusting the height of the idler wheel. And it still takes a minute for it to go into 33, but it will go. So 78, 45. And now it's in 33. So that's all sorted out. Guess I'll find a speaker for this and slap it all back together. Okay, I got it all back together. I'll turn it on. So it's 33, 45, 78, and neutral. All the speeds work now. Got tone, pretty standard or simple record player. Not a lot going on. One of the vendors at the flea market, when it was still open, knew me and just gave it to me because he said he knew I liked to work on stuff. So it works now, and I put in another speaker. It was actually an upgrade from what was originally in there. It was a little bit bigger, but I just hot glued it because I mean, it doesn't really matter. There was no screws to begin with, so it was just held in there with this double-sided tape. So not the highest quality record player. In fact, far from it, but it does work now. One final thing I'm doing is adding these little particle board supports here, because if you'll notice, this whole piece of cardboard here is warped, and when I play a LP, it scrapes along this piece of plastic. So by me putting these here, they're the same height as it's like 3 1/4 inch right here, same height as that, so it pushes out. So hopefully it'll make it nice and straight, and I'll be able to play a 33 on it. All right, there we go. Now it's not rubbing anymore as I spin it. Okay, so now that doesn't scrape anymore. The 33s don't scrape anymore. And I've also added this piece of hardboard to the top, which was where the missing cardboard was. And so it's basically a full lid now. It doesn't really match, but it's brown, it's close enough. I hot glued all that back together just so it can actually be toted around again. I wasn't really going for anything pretty, but it's functional. It goes in all the gears now. I re-glued this front piece of paper back on. It still looks like it's a little loose, but I think it's good for now. It's not going to win any beauty contests, but it certainly functions. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.